Hello everyone, we are Emmett Communication Technology Co., Ltd. Today, we want to talk about a very important topic in fiber optic communication that is often overlooked, our low friction coefficient optical cables. Yes, low friction coefficient optical cables not only save costs and improve on-site installation efficiency, but they also make construction easier for everyone.
So, what exactly are low friction coefficient optical cables? Well, low friction coefficient optical cables are actually similar to the regular fiber optic cables we see. They belong to the category of fiber optic cables, but their main feature is that they have a smaller structural size. For instance, the standard size is usually 2.0 by 5.1, but low friction coefficient cables typically come in two sizes, 2.0 by 1.6 or 2.0 by 3.0. That's what makes them special. Now let's talk about the differences between our low friction coefficient optical cables and regular optical cables. Is there any experimental evidence to support this? Well, yes, we've conducted internal validations. For example, in the same conduit, the length is about 10 meters. Using regular optical cables, we can fit about 5 cables in a conduit. However, with our low friction coefficient cables, we can fit up to 20, increasing capacity by 5 times. These cables are mainly used in FTTH wiring, addressing the limited conduit resources as broadband demand grows. That is to say, under the same pipeline resources, the number of low friction absorption optical cables may increase by about 5 times compared with conventional optical cables. We can see that the difference in this data is still very large. So in what scenarios are our low friction optical cables mainly used? Well, the friction coefficient optical cable is actually also a FTTH, a solution in wiring. As the global demand for broadband access increases, the availability of conduit resources is actually limited. That's why this type of low friction coefficient hawser cable has emerged to facilitate on-site construction.
Well, if you're interested in low friction coefficient optical cables, we can provide you with some technical support.